Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of Tim Hortons breakfast sandwiches. So there's many different types of breakfast sandwiches that you can get at Tim Hortons, and there's a little bit of customization you can do as well. I love breakfast sandwiches, and especially any type that's got like sausage and egg on it. So today I got myself the sausage and egg English muffin from Tim Hortons. So there's a couple different versions that you can get of this. So this is the English muffin version. There's also a home style biscuit. So it's a biscuit that's holding this together. You can also get it in a bagel form. There's quite a bit of customization. What I like about this is, so the top half of the English muffin's buttered. They have a sausage there, egg, cheese, and it tastes really good. It's quite thick. So I really like these for the flavor. Obviously, breakfast sandwiches taste really good because they're combining different types of meats and cheese and egg, English muffin. All that comes together really nice. I like it a lot. So I'm gonna get right into this. Big egg. I love egg in breakfast sandwiches. And Tim Hortons always has it cooked right. It's not going to be runny or anything. You can tell they make these eggs and cook them there on, like, for the order. It's really sweet. I actually like the cheese here. I don't know if it's a different type of cheese from other places, but I don't know. It tastes good together, and I like it. And I usually go for a sausage and egg. You can also get these bacon and egg. There's a ton of different breakfast sandwiches there at Tim Hortons, but I think this breakfast sandwich is the best. Sausage and egg is just an undefeated combination. And the English muffin itself is really good. The biscuit is good too. I was actually thinking I was going to get that, but English muffin, I really like English muffins, so that's why I went with this one here. And I'll give it one more bite and I'll give my final review. So yeah, the salty taste of the sausage paired with the egg, cheese, and English muffin. So good. I love breakfast sandwiches any time of day. This is lunchtime now and I'm getting one of these, so you can have them whenever. And yeah, I'd give this an 8 out of 10. Pretty good breakfast sandwich. But all the breakfast sandwiches at Tim Hortons are quite good, so if you like breakfast sandwiches, try it out. I like it a lot more, I think, than McDonald's breakfast sandwiches. Tim Hortons ones are just a little bit different and good, so go try it out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.